This video will guide you on how to view all the call history on iPhone. Master iPhone Data Recovery will allow you to access iTunes Backup to check all the call logs on your iPhone. Install the software on a PC and launch it. You will see the modules on the left of the screen. Tap on Recover from iTunes Backup file. Let the software scan the iTunes Backup on the PC. Choose the backup file you want and hit the Start Scan icon. Choose the Call Logs option from the left panel and preview the files on the PC. Then tap on Recover to the computer. Then you can check the recovered call history on an iPhone from the computer. You can view the recent call logs you've made or even received on any phone by checking the phone application. Step 1. Click on the phone application on your iPhone to open it. Step 2. You will see the recent call entries, usually up to 100 calls, under the Recent tab. Step 3. To check more details on every entry, click on the eye icon next to the phone number or name. When you hit the icon, you will see the time the call was made or received, if it was declined or missed, and the duration of the call lasted. You can check the call log statement from your carrier and see the full call history on your device. However, note that cell phone providers usually keep the call records for at least 18 months, with others keeping up to 6 years. Here's how to find call history on iPhone from the @T. Step 1. Using any browser, head to the official website of @T. Then sign in if you've already registered. If you don't have an account, tap Create one now. Step 2. Head to the Phone Features page and hit Call History. You can access your call history from there. If you usually back up your data to iCloud on an iPhone, you can also check the iPhone's call record by recovering the backup. Step 1. Open the Settings application and choose General, and press Reset from there. Scroll down, then click on Erase all content settings. Step 2. You have to follow the instructions on the screen to set it up. Then tap on Restore from iCloud Backup in the App Status screen.